Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today, we're diving into smartwatches. I've been wearing one, tracking sleep and health metrics, and I'm ready to share my findings. First, the setup. Most are user-friendly. The one I tested paired easily with my phone. I downloaded the app, followed prompts, and was connected quickly. The app is your data hub, where you customize settings. I found it intuitive. Now, the health tracking. This smartwatch has comprehensive health monitoring. It tracks heart rate, blood oxygen, and stress. For fitness, it monitors steps, distance, and workouts. Sleep tracking was a standout. It meticulously monitors sleep stages light, deep, and REM, providing detailed insights. And a sleep score each night. I checked the accuracy. I compared heart rate readings with a chest strap monitor. The smartwatch was very close, a good sign. For sleep, I cross-referenced with my own observations. The watch accurately detected when I fell asleep and woke up, and gave a good breakdown of my sleep stages. Battery life is crucial, especially with 247 tracking. This smartwatch has impressive battery life, with continuous heart rate and sleep tracking. I got about 3 to 4 days on a single charge. Battery life varies with the always-on display or GPS, but I was satisfied. Regarding build and design, the watch had a sleek design, and was comfortable to wear, even while sleeping. The display was bright and readable. The build materials felt durable. I appreciated the customization options, like watch faces and straps. So, my final thoughts after continuous sleep and health tracking. Overall, I was very impressed. The tracking was accurate, the battery life excellent, and the design appealing. The sleep tracking alone made it worth it. There's always room for improvement. Some smartwatches offer more advanced features, but for the price and features, this is a solid choice. If you want a smartwatch that tracks sleep and health continuously, I recommend it. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more tech reviews. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into smartwatches, focusing on their sleep and health tracking. I've worn one continuously for weeks, and I'm ready to share my findings. First, sleep tracking. It's become increasingly important to me. Struggling with sleep, I wanted to understand my patterns better. The smartwatch monitors sleep duration, stages, light, deep, REM, and disruptions. Data is presented in a user-friendly format, often with graphs. Benefits include valuable insights. I discovered I got less deep sleep than I thought. This prompted changes to my evening routine, like avoiding screen time before bed and creating a relaxing environment. It didn't solve everything, but gave me a better understanding. Beyond sleep, these smartwatches also monitor health metrics. This includes heart rate continuously tracked, steps, and distance. Some offer SpO2 monitoring, stress assessment, and ECG readings. I've found heart rate monitoring particularly useful. Heart rate data is valuable. During workouts, it helps gauge effort. At rest, it provides insights into cardiovascular health. High resting heart rates can signal issues. Step tracking encourages more movement. However, approach these health metrics critically. Smartwatches aren't medical devices, and readings shouldn't replace a doctor's consultation. They offer insights but aren't a substitute for medical diagnosis. Accuracy varies. Another aspect: battery life. Continuous tracking, particularly with an always-on display, drains the battery quickly. I typically charge my smartwatch every 2 to 3 days. This isn't ideal, but I'm okay with the trade-off. Some offer longer battery life, but they often sacrifice features. The user interface and app experience are also crucial. A well-designed app with clear data visualization makes things enjoyable. The app should allow access to sleep data, health metrics, and workout information. It should also have features for setting goals and tracking progress. My experience has been positive. It provides a wealth of information about my sleep, activity, and health. It's a powerful tool for self-monitoring and can motivate healthier habits. If you're considering a smartwatch, I recommend looking at the sleep and health tracking features. Thanks for watching.